Ah. Film the snow video. Hey guys, welcome to Blaze of Glory. And today, I'm in a snowstorm. Literally in a snowstorm. And I was making myself a snow angel, but I don't know where it is now. So, I'm here with my mom. You could show yourself if you want. And we have some goals to do here. First, snowman. Of course. Why wouldn't we make a snowman here? Second, snowball fight. Probably. And third, I don't know. That's something I don't know yet. More snow angels. Yeah. I don't think this is snow anymore because it's ice now. So we're trying to build an igloo because we do not know how to build a snowman. Like,
Huh?
get on your knees.
On your knees. Pero Matthew.
But you are right, like, she does not have to do that. So that was so good of her.
Let's build another igloo.
Voy a hacer uno.
So cold here. Like, trust me, guys.
Déjame ver cómo salió. Él hizo un snow angel.
More ice skating rink, I guess.
pero ¿dónde se nota eso?